This one is only 60 watt. It's only work for the stem size within 5 cm by 2 cm. The stem is fixed onto the machine like this. To show you how it works on these materials. This is the leather. See? It's like this. How you work colorful stamping on materials. This is wood. Nothing happened. We would like to show you how to select soldering iron and how to use them. For this one, with the wood handle, we have 200 watt and 150 watt. These two, most of the clients use for wood. It's working like this. Use this wood. That is can fit onto the machine. This 150 watt machine will be only working for mold size within 5 cm by 5 cm. And this 200 watt machine is working for stem size within 8 cm to 8 cm. The wood handle one. It's without temperature control. So when it goes up, it will come to 300 degrees at the max. It might burn your leather if you use it on leather. So if you are using on leather, we don't suggest you to choose this one. But it's good for wood. Like this, and for the bread, like that. That's all. Thank you.